Hey there, Chatbot Ninja here, and it's time for a quick training on BizStackPro. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to do a smooth scrolling on a website from a menu. So let me share my screen. And we'll go into this. So here we are in BizStackPro, as you can see. And what I was saying, we've got, I'm in the sites, websites. So you, all you need to do is go to edit, but I want to show you first what happens in the basic website when you click on a menu. So if you click on a menu now, say testimonials, it's boom, it's there. Now what you really want is it to scroll down slowly and smoothly, just like this one. So if I click on this one now, and testimonials, it rolls up and scrolls back. And if we click on this one down here, it will scroll back up the top smoothly. Now to do that, you have to add a little bit of code. But you've got sections. Let's go back into the actual website itself. So once you open once you edit the website, you've got sections. These green sections at the side are all different sections. So this is what we do. Yeah. Properties is this one, recent properties. Yeah. Real estate tools and resources. So that's the resources. The team. The team is your estate agents. And testimonials is your testimonials. Now, what I've also done is I've added a members login. Now, if a members login, that will go to a different site, which I will show you here. So if we go about us, it'll go to what we do. I think I should have done it to this what we do. But if we go to properties, that will go straight to properties. Resources, it'll go to resources. Team, it will go straight to team. And testimonials, it will go to testimonials. So what you see is it's going to each section. So, but when we press on members login, it will go to a different website. It will open in a new, as you can see, this is BizStackPro. And it will go to that members login. That's just a different setting in the area. But first of all, you need to go and have all the sections that you want. So if you've got 5 sections or 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you need 5 sections for it to go to. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections here. I've missed 1 or 2 sections. I just didn't want them to go, just to show you what you need to do. Anyway, so what I suggest, first of all, is making a document and then getting the information that you need. I've done this personally for me, so I can see where the sections that I've got. I've got the about us section. I've got the so how to find these section IDs. If we go back to here and we click on so we click on recent properties, say, click on the tool on the green for the section, not the item or the menu item or whatever it is, and go to the tools section, which opens up the section on the right here. Then we need to go to advanced, and we need to go to this one down here, which is the CSS selector, and the section ID is here. You can click on this here to copy it. Then you go back to your document and you click on the properties, and you've got it there. Section UBM is exactly the same. So find each of those section. You've got your menu item. You've got your section ID. I colored them for me how I want it. I've got the black one, the top one, which is this one. Which is this one here, the top section, and because we're going to go back from here using this arrow, up arrow. So we go back to that section. So once you've got that, you can go to the code, which is on this document. Now, to put these sections in, you have to add them to the var ID default section IDs. The first one, is section 1, section the purple, the blue, the purple, the orange, going back from here. Yeah. Corresponding into this section. I've set it up for 5. If you've got 6 or 7, you will need to expand this inside these square brackets. And all it is a section ID, and it's in quotes separated by a comma. So you just add more sections that way. Then we'll also need to set up the index. It's going to be if you've got 5, it's going to be below 5. So you just change this number. So if you've got 5 sections, you change that to 5 sections. Okay. If you've got 6 sections, change it to 6. If you've got 7, you change it to 7. You get my meaning. That's not a problem. So once you've done this, you've got the script. Now, what do you do with that script afterwards? That's easy. You come here. You come here. And then you go from here, you go all the way across to the tracking code. Tracking code here. Click on it. And then you click on the footer. And then you add all that code, copy and paste it into this area here. Save it. And save it again. Make sure you're saving. And then publish it. And you can check it out here. And it should go to here, recent properties. Now, what I'm going to do is because I've done the about one, and it's only and it should have been going to this one here. I'm going to show you how to find this one, this section, get the ID, and change it in the code. So, get rid of that. Now, we're going to go to the section where we want it to go to. And we're going to get this section code. Section ID code. As you can see, it's here. And we go to advanced. And we go to and copy the section code here. Section code. Then we go to the thing here. Tracking code. Footer tracking. Click on footer tracking and your code is here. Now, we're going to change the first one, which is this one here. The first one. We're going to highlight it. And we're going to paste in the changed section ID. You're going to save it. Save is your friend. Save it. And publish it. Now, before we had it going to the wrong section, but if we go to another to it now, go to it now, see what happens. About us, it should go to this one here. It should go to this one here automatically. So about us, what we do, easy, scroll, nice and smooth. And so the next part is getting the button for the top. All it is an image. All it is an image. We go to the image, and we click on the image, put the image in and make it as small or as big as you want. And then what we need to do here is it scroll to element. Scroll to element. And then we're going to go to scroll to element, where to, and it's section 1 is the top section. Yeah, you could say wherever you want it to go to, it's there. Okay, section. Yeah. In general, or in I think is it in general or in the let me see. This is where you add your image. Yeah, advanced, we've got this here, add, scroll to top button. You add it into here. Okay, so you add it in, scroll to top. And save it. I will say thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.